Hi guys, Amber here with Brighton, and we are at the beach. And excuse the yelling, I have my little sister with me, and she has her little babies too. Yeah, pretty much we're just at the beach, swinging, and yeah, Brighton's all bundled up because it's cold, because it actually snowed last night, but the snow's all gone. So, hey Molly, say hi! Hi! Molly has her two babies, and I have my stroller, and Molly has her stroller right over there, and she has her two babies in them. And so we decided to take them for a ride down to the beach. Yep, there's not really much to it. Honestly, there's no geese or anything out right now, because all the birds are like migrating and stuff, because it's getting chilly. It's not as cold as it should be, but you know, oh well. But yeah, just thought I'd make a video while we were here. Bye guys.